Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Yeah, my name is Martin Tavonga Majoni. I am the uh, founder of the educational platform called the Metamorphosis Hub. And today, I just want to explain a little bit about why I call it the Metamorphosis Hub. And this is in line with my main subject, which I took it upon myself to study, money. And during the lockdown, I sort of discovered myself, and that's what led me to this word called the metamorphosis. The metamorphosis is a process where the most known one is where the caterpillar turns into a butterfly. And the reason why I took this subject was basically because I discovered something in there, that I discovered that human beings does not even understand who they are. And during the lockdown, I think I sort of metamorphosized myself, and I discovered who this real Martin is, and that led me to give myself the title called the Metamorphosis Hub, or this platform called the Metamorphosis Hub. Right now, what happens is human beings is just like what the caterpillar does. You are born into the world, and you go to school, you are educated, you learn everything that you are doing, and you live a life to the full according to those standards and perceptions that we have, until something like what happened during the lockdown happens. So for me, that is the process where the caterpillar goes through the cocoon, through the darkness, through the lockdown, and then out of that comes the butterfly. Out of that comes something that is beautiful. So I think this lockdown has sort of worked for me as a cocoon, as something that has transformed me from the previous person that I was to this person that I am now talking about here. And I looked back into history, and I'm going to mention things here about money. Actually, I realized that the whole world sort of went into a darkness during this lockdown. And according to me, it's a transition, it's a transformation from something else to something else that is beautiful. And if you don't see it this way, let me just explain myself. What I'm trying to talk about here is, I looked back in 1929. Britain was, or United Kingdom was sort of the superpower, and was sort of the world's biggest world power then. And around the 1920s, the stock market crashed in England, actually in the United Kingdom, and there was a transition from Britain being the world power into Germany being the world power. And there was a Great Depression there, and sort of a great reset happened during that transition. And the World War happens, and all these other things happened, and Germany in the 1939 also fell. And to me, that was a transition from Germany being the world power to America now being the world power. And I want to link some of the happenings that are happening right now to the Great Reset, according to what I've said right now, that is happening right now, according to the Great Reset, or to the transformation, or to the metamorphosis that is happening right now in the world. I can tell you right now, according to me and according to my study of money and the things that is happening, I think this is a transition again from the Industrial Revolution to the Information Revolution. And the people that get stuck into the Industrial Revolution, remember what happened right now with the corona is what the schools has been teaching us to say, go to school, get good grades, look for a good job. It proved, the coronavirus came in to prove that theory, that thesis is actually very wrong. Because right now in the shutdown and the jobs are, no one is working, the companies are closing. And we are coming into the 5G again, where self-driving cars are into existence, where jobs are going to be taken by the robots, where a lot of things are going to happen. I was listening recently that even the truck drivers, they're going to use these AI or artificial intelligence to drive those self-driving cars, and they don't need the pilots anymore. People can sit in an office and operate such sort of the drones. That's what is happening. So the industrial age is actually, this is the end in 1920 with the coronavirus as it's happening right now, is the end of the industrial revolution and the beginning of the new the information age. So I want to mention this. According to my thesis and my understanding of money, you need to have something. You need to move, you need to metamorphosize from the industrial revolution to the information revolution, where you do something for yourself that does not depend on employment, that does not depend on working, because jobs are tossed. There is no more jobs, right? Where are you going to put the CV today? Where are you going to look for a job when companies are closing? Even when they're going to open, I think the research is going to say, even a company is going to open, they rather invest in robots instead of human beings because of the coronavirus. That's my thinking. But you have got the right to think your own things. But this, for me, guys, is something that has hit me, that has said to me, and I said, let me share with my people, let me share with my followers. Click that link, subscribe to my YouTube channels. You will get all those things. And I've got the website that is called the metamorphosishub.co.za. You can actually join in and see what I'm talking about. I love you guys. I want you to realize that this is the information age. This is not the time where you can depend on employment. This is not the time that you cannot depend on anything that was happening in the industrial revolution. This is the time where you should move from the industrial revolution, where you should metamorphosize from the industrial revolution, from being a caterpillar there, from working to being a butterfly, to fly for yourself, to make your own money, to do your own stuff, to be the boss, to make people work for you, to make money work for you. I think I love you guys. I want you guys to know this. Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening and enjoy yourself.